Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I make money from meme coins without ever being on the trading side, and why switching from trading to deving was the best decision I ever made in crypto. Because the majority of people in this space are losing a bunch of money from buying and selling these coins, but the truth is that by deving coins, you are going to make way more without risking anything, and that's why devs are making so much money in 2026. The dev always wins, because instead of buying coins just to hope for it to pump, we create the coins and then we cash out on all the traders. We do that over and over again. And in this video, I will show you exactly step by step on how to create meme coins the right way. I will show you every single step of the process with a live launch example. And by the way, guys, I am not here to waste your time or to sell you a stupid course. I'm here to show you how I make thousands of dollars from creating meme coins. That's it, that's all. I am not here to gatekeep. The concept of creating meme coins is extremely simple. A lot of people overcomplicate it. Basically, all we do as devs is we find viral narratives online and we turn them into meme coins, and then we hope for people to buy them. After that, when the market cap pushes higher, we just sell our supply little by little and we profit thousands of dollars on each launch, and you can do that over and over again. And the thing that makes this strategy so profitable is that you have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to create these coins, and even if no one buys your coin, you can just make another coin and then another one and then another one. And that is exactly why being consistent with launching these coins is extremely good if you want to build your portfolio up. So in this video, I will show you how to create coins using my proven strategy step by step. I am not here to sell you anything. I'm here to show you how I make my money with a live example starting now. And by the way, bro, everything in this video is meant for educational purposes only. I do make money from deving, but I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. Okay, cap. Now, the free tool that we will be using to make our coins is called launchmemes.io, and there's a reason why I launch here instead of Pump.Fun. Because the truth is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated, and most coins on Pump.Fun go nowhere. There's too many coins launching here, and most of them get no buyers and no one sees them, right? Look at this, the results speak for themselves. It's absolutely dog shit, no one buys them. But Radium though is where launchmemes.io launch their meme coins. It's on Radium, it migrates, and it gets a shit ton of attention. Just look at this, most meme coins on Radium do way better than Pump.Fun. They get buyers, okay? And that's why I launch on launchmemes.io. Now, making a meme coin is extremely easy. You can create from scratch a whole new coin. All you need is a narrative, symbol, and image in mind, right? Which is a PNG. So if you have a narrative or a meme, you can make that coin here, certainly. Or you can copy trending coins, which is what I do every single day to make my money. Sometimes I do create coins, but my main thing is copying coins. Okay, basically every single meme coin here is proven to get buyers because every single meme coin here went viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a bunch of buyers and they all have good narratives. So we are going to be copying one coin here back to Radium to get a shit ton of buyers, and that's exactly how vamping trending coins work. I will show you how to copy a coin right now live. So let's copy a coin and try to make money right now live. Keep watching, take your notes out. It's going to be a ride. So connect your Phantom wallet, that's the first step, right? And now let's copy a coin. I don't care about the narrative at all. I just go for anything. They're all good. I'm gonna go for America is back, right? Okay, well, whatever, bro. Click on copy the Radium. Your Phantom will show up. Ignore that black warning. That's completely normal. Every Radium launchpad gets this warning. Just proceed here, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin will be minted, okay? Just give it a couple seconds. And then boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. It's minted on Solana, everything is legit. Let's create the liquidity pool. Here, just follow along. We're creating our supply for our coin like that. It can go to Radium and we can have supply before everyone else. Now for the supply of the coin, click on 90%, right? Just click on that. For your own supply, which is the dev buy for yourself, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose this Solana. If you want it back, you will get it back at the end once you cash out. Do not worry about it. Click on create pool. Your Phantom will show up. Ignore the block block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin is actually live. Just give it a couple seconds. Boom, click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, it's live. Okay, this is the ticker symbol AIB. People can now see your coin and buy in. Let's go see the chart to see if the coin is pumping. It should start pumping. Boom, it's already pumping, guys. People are buying in already. People are aping in. 15, 40 bucks, 40 bucks, $80. Oh my god, yeah, we're making so much money right now. Click on refresh. We're up $200 already from our supply. That is insane. Just let the coin pump, right? I'm gonna let the coin pump for a bit. When I come back, I will show you how much we made, so be right back. Alright, we are currently at a 18k market cap, 20k market cap. I might let the coin pump a bit more, it's up to you. Alright guys, I am back after a couple minutes, and this is exactly where we are at a 47k market cap. Now it is up to you if you want to let the coin pump or go a bit lower. It's up to you. Okay, let's cash out, come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and we're up $2.9 thousand in profits. Let's cash this out before it goes down. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of our meme coin. Bang, we just cashed out in front of your faces, and look at my phantom wallet. Bang, we got our payout, $2.86 thousand in profit from this one launch. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, guys. It's all for educational purposes only, but just stay consistent. Just launch meme coins over and over again and just get good at it. And if you want to win 10 so like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my free Telegram group down below to enter the giveaway. Good luck.